What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review recently released Mirzapur season 2. It's not about synopsis but overall the characters and whatever they have done it. We're not going to reveal all too much because just keep the momentum of curiosity that left within our brains from season 1. Let's review the first season. In the first season, they have I think that in the first season they have given everything to us that created hype, tension, rivalry, grudges. But in the second season, you will see everything at a slow pace, and all the characters will playing their part to get the story to the end. So let's review. The first thing that I wanted to appreciate is that Amazon Prime and the social media, and especially the anxiety or whatever we call the hype, the uplifting of emotions of the viewers. The credit goes to Amazon Prime. Keep people with the plot, engage them, and especially help them to stay connected with Mirzapur. We can see that what are the trends were going on, MSW2 or MS2W, all this, they were just going on because they just wanted to keep you glued to the plot. So out of 5 I give 4 to them, and especially the billboards and all this and posters, they have done a lot really. But now let's talk about the characters. Guddu is now recovering, whereas Golu trying to keep him focused. What is your priorities? So sometimes it is just like uh, she is more stronger than Guddu, and sometimes Guddu is stronger. But overall, it looks like they are trying to help each other to get whatever the target is. And once they patch up with Lala, overall we see that Lala, no matter he has a big crew, lot of people around him, but his character is also like being isolated and there is no rivalry shown from his side. So he was just like on a mute, just helping Guddu sometimes whatever the business is. No matter he lost the loved ones, and you can't see anything from his side. Whereas that uncle, the one who was dancing, he shows some courage, and it's okay overall. But I just feel like they were not given a good chance. Like the character was not formed very well for them. Now talk about Akhand, Kaleen Bhaiya, and keeping calm, always at a right pace, not showing a immaturity. His character was fine, and the senior, his father, he played also a good role because he is manipulating many things around him. Munna making another big mistake, a huge mistake. Definitely, you will see, and that make that mistake is made at the very end of the episodes. Like among 10 episodes, it looks like all these 8 or 7 episodes they are at a slow pace, just introducing some new characters, giving them more time to show what they really wanted to do it. But others, they were sidelined, and suddenly in the end they just wanted to finish it up because now you see that the Sharad, his character came, thought that he will be very wise, he is educated and he is into this, and he will make up something, like he will turn the story. Whereas his mother is also helping him. Looks like she will play good moves, but she was not the one being good at playing chess moves. But overall, I think the credit goes to Beena, who was very wise, and the story revolves around her. Let's talk about her later. Vijay Sharma and his family, all they came up, and it looks like they were also just like another piece in a jigsaw, and there was nothing much from them, because if there is a clash of territories like Jaunpur and Mirzapur, it looks like there is another, like Bihar also came, but suddenly you see that everything from their side is very slow. And other character is like, imagine that in our culture is political campaigning and all these rivalries, they mean a lot. So the writer didn't give much importance to what is happening, and looks like it has been eradicated or just swept away. It could be hyped, but since I think he just wanted to focus it to finish it, so that's why the political campaign and all this, and the CM and financing and his brother and all these things, it just like finished very quickly. It should be more there. And then I think the bottom lines, the in the end, I just wanted to say that the best characters, those who played a very vital role, is Babar. The what is that? His uncle is Makbul. Anjum Sharma, he played a very crucial role. Looks like he is into a good role, and he did his level best. Beena, she is the one who was playing a very good role and felt like she is really having a good grip on everything. So even if you wanted to make a focal point of the story, she could play more things, but overall you see that they wanted to finish all things very quickly within this last two episodes. And the last not the least, Makbul, playing a very crucial role at it his best, but looks like he came, he saw, he conquered, and gone. And then in the end, you will really like what it happened, but it left another mark on the brains of the viewers that there will be definitely season 3. Maybe the writer, it seemed like La Casa de Papel, like one series they set up something, this one, second series they did a little low, third series very high, and the fourth season a little low, fifth season they will do something. So it seemed like this. The first season was very high, the second season at slow pace, and looks like there will be third season. That's what they really wanted to do it. I believe that's why they made a little mark in the brains of the viewers that you should expect it, there is a possibility. Overall good for the viewers, but when you because sometimes they just write the stories, because it's also in La Casa de Papel also they said it, that the writer just see the emotions of the viewers and then change the plot according to the situation what the viewers really wanted it. So most of the time they just do that also. I think they have written the story according to the demand of the people. They wanted to see the things finishing quickly. But I hope you will really like it, enjoy it, and especially I wake up a little late. Actually, I finished 4 episodes and then finished 4 in the morning. I hope you will really like it. I hope if you like, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications, and tell me which character is your favorite one. Overall, I believe Beena is the main focal point or main character in this series, and the second is Amazon Prime, because they created so much hype. So overall I think like Moria, he was also silent, though he has grudge and wanted to take revenge, but things are silent also, like he end up being compromising with them. But overall I think the my favorite characters are like Isha Talwar, the daughter of CM. She played also. The women are playing a vital role in second series, worth watching. And I hope if you really like all these characters and what is your favorite character, please comment below. Thank you so much and have a great week. Bye bye.